Hi everybody, all you beautiful lovely people out there. I am Jeannie and everybody went with like pinks for their beautiful Valentine look. I went very bold. I was excited because I had ordered the Jeffree Star mystery gift, and when it came in, of course, I had a broke product, and that came in today, and it was the, what was it? It's under my box. It's under the camera. I can't get to it. It's the blue frost anyway, so that's what I have on. I think the camera's picking it up pretty good. Yeah, I can see my nose is blue. Okay, then on my eyes. On my eyes, I was real excited to use my concrete minerals again. I used the color Napalm. I used a tiny bit of White Rabbit. I used Cavalera, Viva Los Muertos, Bang Up, and then the Vaccine. Then I took a tiny bit from Sugar Venom. This is their Austin. It is a pink, shimmery, glittery color, and that's just right in the very center. Right there. Everything else is same as always, pretty much. Today, for my foundation test, I went back to, and I don't see, oh, here it is. I went back to the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Lines. I want to give that a try again. I also got some new concealer. That's the word. I was like, what is it called? I can't remember. Concealer. Oh, and my lips are also Jeffree Star. I used two different ones. I used his watermelon something. I'm blind. I can't see it down there. Okay, let's see. I used the watermelon soda. That's, if it kind of looks like I have a liner, that's the watermelon soda. And then I went back over with Starfish Ammo. And that made my lips very bright. Very, very bright. Okay, but I was excited to share. I haven't been doing the share thing, but I'm really excited. So I got in today Ulta product because, you know, a couple of days ago I got in all my concrete minerals and stuff from Indy and Ari, and I was really excited because they had also sent me a handwritten note thanking me and different things, and sent some extra stuff. It was really nice. Today, I didn't get anything extra from Ulta, but I got my Youth Glow Serum. We're going to give that a whirl. See if it helps with my fine lines. Then I got, of course, this was a free trial that they sent, the Better Than Sex mascara. I thought this was really pretty, and I just wanted to give it a try. This is from Ulta Beauty. This is their Watercolor Wonder, because I don't really have, which way's my camera? It's over there. It's pointing opposite of, I mean, it's usually further. I'm sitting crooked, but anyway. So that's my Watercolor Wonder to try. Then I got, I don't have a lot of hair. I mean, it's pretty long up on top, but it's short in the back. Well, I mean, it's still long back here, but lengthwise it's not. So I got this unicorn hair in the color Bunny, and it's supposed to be a strand test, but I want it to be very, very pale, so I may show up with pink hair. So, I don't know. We'll see. I also got in 2 of the Z palettes, and one of these will be in my giveaway. And from, I believe these came from Walmart.com here. I got some masks. They're Argan Oil Mud from Seventh Heaven. Montagny Junaise or something. I don't know. So anyway, but they're a mask. So I'll put one of those in the giveaway as well. Now, moving on to my really exciting thing that came in. And I also got a free gift here. Can y'all, there's a glare. Can y'all read that? It's ColourPop. And ColourPop also wrote me a note. And what is this? This is Ultra Matte Lip Extra Topping. Ooh, that's really pretty. It looks redder on the camera than I think it is in real. I'm not getting rid of this, so we will swatch. Oh no, it is. It's pretty red. So really excited about that. Then we got 5 lipsticks. These are ColourPop, and this is part of, what's this part of? I think it's part of a set that came. Ooh. Be Same. Which is funny, down here they almost look the same, but on camera they are totally different. This is the first one I did, this is the second one. And let's go to the next. I also have some beauty boxes coming in I'm excited about, because there's some that I've not really heard of. So I'm gonna, one of them I did a 3-month subscription, so we're gonna see how they are. Ooh, this is really bright. This is Chola. Not bright. I did not mean bright. Dark. Very dark, very dark. This one is Miha. That one above. I say it's pronounced Miha. It's M-I-J-A. Could be Mija, but I'm pretty sure it's Miha. This one, the names are on the ends, but it's hard to make out what they are. This one is Secreto. Let's see. I'll go above the other one again. Oh, it's almost similar. It's just darker than the one just before it. And I have one more little lippy lipstick from ColourPop, and this one is Floor. And this is back to sort of a in between the reds and then those neutral, natural, nudie colors. So there, I was really excited about that. Then I also have 2 little highlighters here in the cute little boxes. And I have no sleeves on, so we'll have to ignore. Ooh, that's really pretty. This is Princia. It is, I wish I could see, I don't know. Yeah, it's sealed. Let me see if I can open it. Blech. All right. I don't know if y'all can I don't think you can see it. It's very pale. It has maybe a tint of pink, but it's iridescent at the same time. It's very iridescent, actually. So that's that one. And then we move on to this one. Not sure how my neck, because I put some contouring stuff around, and I really didn't. I don't even know if I blended my neck in or not. So if you see stripes or streaks, just ignore. Oh, this one's like a golden color with shimmer. Very pretty. Oh, did I forget a lipstick? No, that was the floor. I already did that one. So that's those. Then I get into this exciting part. Let's see. I have a palette here called I don't know how to pronounce that. Salvier. It's a pressed powder palette, it says. Oh my good. Okay. I don't know when that quit recording. So that is very pretty. It's ColourPop. Can you tell my eyelashes have purple on the tips? Oh, no, sticking. Okay, now this one, look at this. I was really excited. Isn't that pretty? This is What's Inside collection set, and it opened up. Man, my eye keeps sticking. I'm gonna be like this because it's sticking. This is a lip bundle here as well. I don't think I'll go through. I don't want to torture y'all with the swatching. Ooh, okay. This one's sparkly. And it is called, I'll give you the names real quick. Glass Up, Sueño de Coco, and Dulcet. I grew up in Southeast Texas, or South Texas actually. Well, kind of east, but south. I should know how to speak Spanish, and I don't, and I apologize. I took French, but I still can't speak that either. There's a nude pink, and then that shimmer, which is in between the pink and that nude color. So very exciting. Oh my God, I cannot wait to start trying these out. Then this one is Through My Eyes, is what it's called. This is Through My Eyes. It reminds me of St. Patrick's Day, but I know it's not. Dream is a color in here, which when I turn this around, it's going to be amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's the emerald. This was called, what did I just think that was? A Wild Soul, which I think is very pretty. Oh my God. And then this one, because it's a collector's kit, it came with, oh my God, I hope I don't mess it up. Getting it out. Shoot. A kaleidoscope. Can y'all see in there? You can, look. Well, I wish I could keep it right there just so I could spin it. I can't keep it in. So that's that. My box is a little banged up, but that was Through My Eyes. This next one is called Is This Real Life? And this is a massive palette. This is their Super Shock Shadow Vault. Oh my god. They're so cute. Okay, let me turn this around. Okay. Oh, I can't. Okay. This one has a smiley face, which is cute, and this is called Shy Guy. This one has a star. It's shook up. I'm not going to pull them all out. Not a star. I'm sorry. That's the sun. There is a star I was looking at, and it's a pretty yellowy gold. There's a moon. There's a pair of lips. There's a lightning bolt. There's clouds. There's a diamond. And then just a rainbow in one of them. They're just that. But I'll show that again. Okay. That is really, can y'all see that color in there? Oh my gosh, that is called Dozing Off. It's beautiful. So that concludes my exciting stuff for today. Be sure to check out my previous video on the giveaway that I have coming up for my 1,000 subscriber. And still not 100% sure I'm going to do it. But watch this video. When you get to this point, down in the comments, if you write Loki, L-O-K-I, Loki, which is my male Siamese cat. That's his name. I just stuck my hand in all those. That'll give you an extra name in the pot for the drawing. And I also know then that you watched me, so we'll see. But if you want to see a tutorial on this eye look, just let me know in the comments below. This was actually my very first true cut crease that I did. This one, well, I went up on both of them, but this one to me, of course, I'm always seeing, because the lighting is a bit different behind me, it's not even. So this eye always looks lighter than the other eye. This one looks darker, this looks lighter when I'm looking in the camera. This one here, the cut crease looks like it's a lot higher than the other eye, but when I was doing it, they looked the same, so I don't know. But anyway, so that's it, and I will talk to y'all later. Have a great, wonderful rest of your day.